y'all, it's Natalie, and I'm here with another unboxing for you from A Cherry on Top. And this is the Summer Cherry Box. Last quarter, they switched to a new model. So they used to be monthly, and now they are only quarterly, but they're bigger boxes for $50 every quarter. So that's for a year, seasonally. You will receive at least $100 worth of product in this box. And so the spring box was amazing. I've made lots of things with it, and I still haven't even made a dent in it. There was so much stuff in it. And this one is even better in my opinion. So this is the Summer Cherry Box for 2024. So you get it, and then it comes in this nice big box, and it's all packaged up. I'm not gonna lie, mine was in a bag, but I have already removed it. And you can see immediately it's got lots of 49 market, which I'm such a sucker for. So let's pull this out and go through it together. Because I did pull it out of the box, but I haven't looked through it. So, oh, sorry about that earthquake. Let's look at this first because it's just right here on top. So this is 4-inch lace washi tape roll from 49 Market, and it's from the Spectrum Sherbet collection. So this is a collection from a couple of years ago that I bought and I hoarded, and then I was like, stop hoarding it, use it. So when they were like, oh, hey, here's a few more things from that collection, especially some things that I maybe didn't have, I was like, yes, please, because I hoarded it, and then I squandered it, and now I need more. Look, it's so beautiful. It's a giant roll of washi, and it comes with a little washi tape like cutter. I don't have a lot of use for that. I'm not patient enough for that. But here, we'll roll it out. So much you can do with this, so much. But it's like a rainbow gradient. You got your lime green, you got your Kelly green, goes into some red, orange, yellow, and then back into your lime. Look at how beautiful that is. Very lacy, some florals, some grid, which of course is like the lace part as well. A lot of times washi's not like my favorite product, but like this washi, which is more of a almost more of an art supply than like just like a little planner thing. I don't know. This one does it for me. Like I'm here for this, and it's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. So super pumped about that. And that is definitely something from the Spectrum Sherbet collection that I did not have before. So outside of the 49 Market realm, we have these Vicki Boutin Cosmic Watercolor set, and they're very like pearlescent. Rainbow is what it's called. But they look shiny. They're probably going to have some shimmer to them. So I'm excited to play with those. I have never had Vicki Boutin watercolors before, so I'm excited about that. I really thought this was Prima, to be honest with you, very Prima-esque. I don't know that I've ever had any 49 Market florals. And so these are very realistic, very beautiful. And I got pink ones. I'm not sure if the color will vary. I suspect they might vary. Y'all, this was it. I know that you've seen me use these on my channel so much. Like, I know I say all the time that 49th Market rub-ons are my favorite, but like this is what turned me on to them. This collection specifically, and I do still have some, but I have used a lot of them. And they are the palette rub-on transfer sheets, and they have one of every color in the collection. So pinks and reds, oranges, yellows, limes, the like prettier green, and then the like blues. And I just can't, like, you can do so much with these, and they make such a big impact on a mixed media background, and I can't get enough of them. So yeah, if you want me to add a whole nother collection of these to my collection, I will. Absolutely, I will. And use them. Some more Vicki Boutin. Oh, sorry. I have, how many of these do I have laying around my house? Discover and Create collection from Vicki Boutin. And this is the sticker book. It's not really a book. It's just separate sheets. I'm not going to lie. I would actually really prefer a book, because having this packaging with separate sheets and you have to pull everything out of the plastic, like, A book would be easier for me. But I might just do what I do with my die cuts and like slide them down a little plastic. But these are fun. They're really beautiful colors. And then we got some florals, butterflies, like feathers. And then we looks like it like kind of just a gradient. So we have some blues and then blues and purples, periwinkle, if you will, your limes and your yellows, your oranges, and then like all the words Vicky likes to do. And then some black alphas because Papa Black, you know. I like this, like these vibes from the different collections are going to go really well together and kind of really allow you to be creative and make your own thing. We'll look into that in just a minute. Let's look at the papers. Spectrum, here, I'll turn them the right way. Spectrum Sherbet. So I think they're all from 49th and Market, Spectrum Sherbet. And so I know like when that collection first came out, like they couldn't keep it on the shelves. But I also think that maybe ACOT probably didn't carry all of the pieces because I think that was so when they were just starting to carry 49th and Market, and they just have so much. Like every collection has so much in it. So I know personally I'm never able to buy like the entire collection. So if you didn't, this is a great chance to get it. But these are all just like the foundation pages that are just really basic. And like if you've already used it once, like you can totally use it again and create something completely different. Personally, I love this side. I don't know if you would consider this the B side probably, but these they have all the different colors and they have the different little things up at the top, like the palette rub-ons that I just showed you. So super love that. This one just has some paint across the top and an orange circle. I will say, like, so this was Spectrum Sherbet. The collection after this, so last year's collection was Spectrum Gardenia, and it had more of the vibrant, like, primary colors. And it was super beautiful, and I've used it a lot, but this one's my out of those two, just because I like the color palette of like the softer colors, and they're not pastel because I'm not a pastel girl, but for like summer and stuff, I'm just here for like the hot pink all the time. So and I really love these are really good for backgrounds as well, because they're just basic, but then they're not just like a solid cardstock, which I do love a good solid cardstock, but sometimes I just want a little oomph, and it has just enough because it has a little bit of like grunge on the background, but still not going to distract from whatever you decide to put on it. And we have it in raspberry, love it, and we have it in lime. Yep, lime is what they call it. Yep, I love that as well. We have the lemon sherbet. Ooh, I love this. So like a solid white background, but just a little bit of color. So you see it's just got a little bit of splatter in the rainbow or the blue circle on the other side. We have the orange sherbet. Love it. Another good summer color. We have a speckled one, and then that on the other side has the palette at the top and the bottom, and the lime. I really like a good lime green, especially for my boy layouts. And this has a nice lace doily or the pink on the other side. So you get all those really awesome foundations, background papers, 12 by 12 papers. I mean, they don't have to just be backgrounds, but look, even like the strip is fabulous. So you gotta cut that off and use it, right? It's so gorgeous. One time, I think I still have a layout in my album though where I forgot to cut it off because it was so beautiful and it looked like part of the layout. And then I go to put it in my page protector and it's just like sticking on at the top, and I'm like, I don't want to cut it off. But these papers also, if you've never done 49 Market, are super thick and luxurious. Like they are so thick and gorgeous. You know, 49 Market, they can do no wrong. Okay, and so this is the last thing in the cherry box, and it is Spectrum Sherbet Remnants 24 mix and match die cut pieces. Ooh, look at those bright colors. You feeling that? Yeah. So I love these. These are layering pieces that are really going to add a pop of good color to your layout. And like, that's what I think they're perfect for, layering. That's what I said. But also, ooh, if you're doing like a mini album, these are really good little, what do you call them? Not inserts. Well, yeah, like an insert or like a tab. So like you could like washi the top and the bottom, and you can just like have a flippy on like a live crafted album or some type of mini album. So, and there's just a bunch of remnants of paper that they're not really remnants, they're clearly laser cut, and they are in all the different colors, all different sizes. I mean, that's a big one, but like, look how easy you could have a layout come together, you know, like be like boop boop, a couple of layered photos, a title. Could have a lot of fun with that. And so you just have all the colors in the Spectrum Sherbet collection. So you basically have like the more pastel color options, and then you have the darker color options, that brighter or darker, more pigmented, and all different sizes. That is really big. And then there's all the blues. So I love that. I feel like that is such a unique product. And yeah, I kind of am excited to play around and see what happens. And I'm really excited to see what everybody makes with this. So I can't wait until these start shipping out. I'll put the details down below. I'll put an affiliate link down below if you would like to go subscribe. If you don't already subscribe, if you already subscribed, you are anxiously awaiting it. And I hope that you were able to see everything in the box to your satisfaction. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. I would like it if you like and subscribe. And I hope that you enjoy this cherry box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, y'all.